Hello everybody, this is Danny from Deep South Homestead. Wanda just walked in here and handed me this Homestead box. She's already looked in it and she just brought it and handed it to me, and she told me, she said, you know, you're going to love this box. And she wouldn't tell me what was in it, so I'm going to take a peek here and see if she actually knows what I like or not. So we're going to see how well she knows me. Oh, look at that. Paper. Isn't that nice? Okay, let's see what we got here. Let me see here. How to build animal housing. All right. They have got all kinds of homesteading tools in here on how to build things. Now, I can tell you right now from sitting here looking at this, if I was a beginning homesteader, this is the box I would want. Because you need this box before you get any animals, before you get chickens, rabbits, anything. This is the box the person needs to have. So if you're interested in a homesteading box, this is the one to get. Start off with wire clip pliers. These right here, these pliers are made to put together rabbit cages with. These are the pliers, and they should be clips. Yes. Get these up where you can see them. You get these little wire clips that go with it. And this is made to make rabbit cages out of. So this is the number one thing there. Guys, you know the last videos I've been putting up and what they have to do with fencing. A brand new pair of fencing pliers. It's like they were reading my mind. I say, this is amazing. This is the Diamond brand, which is a good brand. I like the way the handles feel. I like the length of them. I don't think that mine are this long, but I love the length of them. But you got a pair of fencing pliers here. That's good. Then you have a pair of wire cutters, and you need these when you're putting fencing or clipping the wire to build rabbit cages out of, or chicken wire or anything like that. You need a good pair of wire cutters. And these things are the 8-inch ones. I love that. They're not so short that they don't have any leverage to them. This is the Crescent brand, which is a very good brand. Let's see what else we got here. I'm going to have to break out an old knife after all. This is my old Case XX knife. Now, this is a double blade one. This is the one I like. Okay. We also have... I also have these in the shop too. This is amazing. That we have a set of, a lot of people call these hog ring pliers because they make two sets of these that are adjustable when you put clips in a hog's nose to keep them from rooting. But these are a miniature version, and they come with these little wire clips here that's used to put wire together with, also like on rabbit cages and stuff like that. When I was a kid, these are the pliers and these are the clips you used to use to put seat covers on cars with. So it's kind of it's a multi-purpose tool. I mean, guys, you got to know. I've used these when I worked for the Chevrolet companies and different things when I was a kid. This is what we use to put seat covers on with, but it also works to put together wire cages with. So that's pretty neat. It's a whole kit right there together. This is made from Republic Fastener Products. Another good thing for animals. Now this in here is a new one on me. Okay, so we have in the box here, we have a soap from Dr. Squatch. It's a pine tar soap. It's a soap that's supposed to make you feel manly. You know, I mean, it's supposed to bring out the inner creature in you, the inner animal, like the Sasquatch. I guess it's a back to nature soap. You use this soap right here, and you just smell like the woods. You know what I mean? That's all I can say. Dr. Squatch, I'm sure this is a good product. All right. Last but not least, we got a book in here called How to Build Animal Housing. If you want happy, healthy animals, you need to have good housing for them. There's nothing that's any more aggravating to an animal than to have the kind of housing that is not intended for that animal. It'd be kind of hard to put a pig in a chicken pen. He wouldn't last. The pen wouldn't last. The pig wouldn't be happy. So I mean, you know, you got to pick the right pen for the right animal. And this book right here has just lots and lots of things in it. That's just good ideas about bedding and everything. It tells the loads of the roof lines and all that kind of stuff. It gives you ideas about different types of rabbit houses, how to build them so that the air passes through them real good. And we got pig hutches and stuff like that that's mobile. You can move around in the fields, farrowing pens for them, horse stables, all kinds of stuff, guys. This is an outstanding book to have and add to your library on your homestead. So I think that this Homestead Box is a fantastic box for the beginning homesteader. I think that they would really enjoy it. I would like to thank the Homestead Box Company for this particular Homestead Box. And guys, if you're interested in it, go purchase one of these Homestead Boxes. Thank you from Deep South Homestead.